Welcome back to RunmanReCords Design. Today we show you Summer Design Trends 2025. Number 1. The Reign of Radiant Hues Summer 2025 Color Palettes. Bright, happy colors take center stage for Summer 2025. These shades will bring energy and fun to any space. You find yourself drawn to hues that feel like sunshine. Sunny yellows and zesty oranges, warm, hopeful colors are back in a big way. Imagine shades like sunny marigold, spicy saffron, and soft apricot. These colors instantly make you feel cheerful and full of life. They are like a burst of joy. Action tip: use these bright colors for small touches in your home. Try a yellow fusion or an orange vase to lift the mood right away. Earthy terracottas and warm neutrals, balancing the bright, natural, calming tones are very popular. Think about warm terracotta, soft sandy beige, and gentle browns. These colors connect us to the earth and a wish for real, simple living. Number 2. Tactile textures and natural materials. Summer Design Trends 2025. Cloth things you can feel. Materials that add depth and a nice touch are everywhere. Your hands will want to explore these surfaces. The rise of woven and textured fabrics. Natural fibers are gaining steam. Look for a tan, jute, linen, and buccal fabrics. They make rooms feel richer and more interesting. These materials give a sensory treat to everything they touch. Action tip: add woven, fusions, soft throws, or textured wall art. These simple changes make a big difference. Sustainable wood finishes. People now prefer wood that looks natural or has light treatment. Light oak, ash, and bamboo are top choices. This love for natural wood fits with our eco-friendly goals. Furniture pieces showing off clear wood grains are very popular. This connects us to the outdoors. Number 3. Biophilic design, bringing the outdoors in. Connecting with nature inside our homes is a big part of Summer Design Trends 2025. We want to feel like we are always outside. This design style helps us feel better. Lush greenery and botanical motifs. Putting live plants everywhere is a hot trend. Patterns inspired by plants are also popular. This green design helps our minds. Studies show plants can make us more focused and happier. Bring nature inside for better vibes. Natural light maximization. Design choices that let in lots of sunlight are key. Use thin curtains that let light through. Paint walls in light colors. Arrange furniture so it does not block windows. These steps brighten the space. Actionable tip: move heavy furniture away from windows. Use mirrors to bounce light around a room. Organic shapes and fluid forms. Curved lines, wavy shapes, and soft edges appear in furniture and decor. These shapes copy nature's own forms. You will see them in tables, lamps, and even pictures. They make things feel smooth and gentle. Thanks for watching. If you like it, the Summer Design Trends 2025. Don't forget to share with your friends. You watched the channel about design and decor. RunmanReCords Design.